Hello, we're gonna go do some Volcano Bay time, and we wanted you guys to join us for a little bit. So we're gonna go start our day at Volcano Bay.
Yeah.
And yeah, You guys ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna show you guys our favorite attraction there. It's not even really an attraction. It's the lazy river, but it's the fearless river. It's our favorite one, right? It's fantastic.
I don't know why it's called fearless. I also like the coaster one.
Coaster one's fine. You get sprayed in the face a lot the whole time. I don't really love that, but we're gonna give you guys a little walkthrough of Volcano Bay. So let's buckle up. First stop is a ride called Moana. I don't remember this one.
Is it that one?
What? Let's go.
Right here. Perfect. Thank
One of my favorite things about coming to a place like this is my wife in a bikini. Whew. Poe's mortal enemy. Stairs. No looking, if I fall off, I fall off.
No.
Whoa! This is a very lazy one. We are about to do the water coaster here. We've had a pretty successful morning. Bub and I just did the drop slide. We've done 2 water tubes, so now we're about to do like the water coaster here. It's pretty fun. So let's keep rock and rolling. All right, we're about to do our favorite, the Fearless River. It is on. we're gonna probably do a couple laps. I'll probably just keep the camera rolling for the whole time, and hope you guys enjoy this scenic route of fun. So here we go. Fearless River. It's like a lazy river, but just not lazy. There you go.
The Fearless River.
This is a close up. Just feel that. I will tell you, this lazy river, fearless river, is worth the price of admission alone. Now, word of advice. Wear tight clothes. Because I've almost lost my pants like 12 times during this little debacle right now. I pulled it up, my butts were showing multiple times. So someone's got goggles, they've been in for a show. Alright everyone, hope you enjoyed our little walkthrough of the Fearless River. Boys, got anything to say, Taylor?
Oh, are you putting that away? All right, that is the wrap of our quick Volcano Bay day. Very successful, a lot done in 2 hours. That's all we got here at 8. We're leaving at 10. 2 hours done quick. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys saw some fun stuff. Boys, what'd you think? Fun? Yeah? All right, baby. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing and all that you guys do. We love you. We appreciate you. And remember, this is where the magic happens. See you real soon.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider checking out our podcast, Where the Magic Happens, where our team talks all things Disney and Universal. If you can't get enough of us, you can also become a member of our Magic Mafia on Patreon and get a ton of bonus content and join our virtual hangouts. Thanks for watching.